let's discuss question number 4 of exercise 6.1, chapter 6, lines and angle. So question 4 is, in figure 6.16, this is given figure, if x plus y is equal to z plus w, this is given condition. Given condition is x plus y is equal to z plus w, then prove that AOB is a line. We have to prove that AOB is a line. It is given condition and we have to prove that. Now see this figure 6.16, it is AOB. This line we have to prove that this is a line, and given condition is this angle x plus this angle y, sum of these two angles is equal to z plus w, that is sum of these two angles. Now how will we proceed? First of all, we write given. What is given? Given is angle x plus angle y is equal to angle z plus angle w. Now to prove, what do we have to prove? We have to prove AOB is a line. Okay. Now, how will we start? We will start as proof. How we will proceed? First of all, see that if I take sum of these four angles, that is x plus y plus z plus w. If I am adding these four angles, see x, y, z, w. This is making a circle. This is making a complete circle, and you know very well that the measure of complete angle is 360 degree. The measure of complete angle is 360 degree, and these four angles are making a complete angle. Therefore, we can write angle x plus angle y plus angle z plus angle w is equal to 360 degree. And 360 degree, why? Because in reason we can write complete angle. Okay. Now use the given condition. This is our equation. Now use the given condition x plus y. Now in place of z plus w, in place of z plus w, we have x plus y by given condition. So we can replace z plus w by x plus y, and it is equal to 360 degree. Now x plus x is 2x plus 2y is equal to 360 degree. I can take 2 as common. It will give you x plus y is equal to 360 degree. Now x plus y will be equal to 360 degree, and this 2 will come to that side in division. So finally it will give you 180 degree. Okay. It means you have angle x plus angle y is equal to 180 degree, and if x plus y is 180 degree, then x plus y is equal to z plus w. It implies z plus w is also equal to 180 degree. Okay. Now what do we have to prove? We have to prove that AOB is a line. AOB is a line. Now see, where is angle x and where is angle y? Here is angle x. Okay, this angle. This angle is x, and this angle is angle y. Okay, this is x and this is y. Now we see that, or we can say that if this is our axiom, if sum of two adjacent angles, is 180 degree, then known common arms of angle makes a line. If sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degree, then non-common arms of angle makes a line. Now see, are x and y adjacent angles? Because we have sum of x and y as 180 degree. Now the part is we have to check that these are adjacent angles or not. Now what are adjacent angles? Adjacent angles are those pair of angles who has common arm. For angle x and for angle y, OC is common arm, O is common vertex, and other two arms, that is OA and OB, are on opposite side. So angle x and angle y makes a pair of adjacent angles. Now if sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degree, we have x plus y is equal to 180 degree, then known common arms. Now in this case, what are known common arms? Known common arms are OA and OB, and known common arms of angle makes a line. It means we can say that AOB. It implies AOB is a line because x plus y is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Or similarly we can say that if we take angle Z and angle W, check first of all, are these adjacent angles? Yes, these are adjacent angles. Why? Because OD is common arm, O is common vertex, and OA and OB are on opposite side of the angle. So it means sum of these two adjacent angles is 180 degree, and if sum is 180 degree, then known common arms of the angle makes a line. So we can say that AOB is a line, and this was the thing that we have to prove. So we can write hence proved. Okay.